I think focusing on education is going to be really helpful in advancing the workforce in fusion energy. And this is where our partnerships with academia and the national labs can really help turbocharge the industry. The most common theme that we're hearing as we evaluate the supply chain for the fusion energy sector is when will the supply increase and scale to the level that's needed to develop commercial scale fusion energy. Right now, fusion companies are all working on their pilot demonstrations, but they have big ambitions beyond that, and they'll need the raw materials and supply chain to scale so that they're able to take the technology commercial after that. So during the panel, I was alluding to the fact that the industry has actually raised quite a bit of money already, and we do have great partnerships with governments, both state and federal, for fusion energy and its supply chain. What we really need is a directed workforce to focus on specific problems and match those sources of funds with the uses of funds that are going to help accelerate the US industry. We are always looking for additional capital in the industry, but really narrowing down that opportunity set is going to be really important for us. I think focusing on education is going to be really helpful in advancing the workforce in fusion energy. And this is where our partnerships with academia and the national labs can really help turbocharge the industry. We've got great technology development pathways established already. What we really need are motivated people across all spectrums of the education workforce. So we need skilled PhDs, we need maintenance technicians, we need production technicians, electricians and plumbers, and everything in between in order to make these factories work. Anytime we have the opportunity to partner with our customers helps us improve the quality of the product, as well as make things to their specification and develop new technologies that will hopefully advance the field even further. So it's been great to work with them on opportunities like that. Yeah, there's a couple of opportunities that I have, and I phrase them as opportunities instead of challenges on purpose, because I think there's a ton of interest in this space. What we really need to do is capture that interest and direct it towards solving specific problems in the supply chain and in the development of fusion energy specifically. And I think that the national labs and academia can help us narrow down those set of problems to things that are actionable that we can work on today, as well as roadmap the things that we'll need to do going forward, and then match those with government programs and private companies who are willing to work on those together. We think that the next few years of the fusion energy sector are the most exciting yet. We're going to see before 2030 demonstrated fusion power plants start to energize and hopefully get results that show that the energy out is greater than the energy in, which will pave the way for commercial deployments going forward to actually put power on the grid. I think collaboration and coordination is one of the things that's the best that we've been able to take away from this panel. When we're all working together towards these common goals, we'll be more successful for not just MetOx and Tokamak, but for the entire fusion industry broadly.